Welcome to Brainetainment, your premier source for insightful, engaging, and fascinating discussions about the human body, its intricacies, and its limitations. In each episode, we strive to unravel the mysteries of our physical existence, demystify the complexities of our biological makeup, and highlight the awe-inspiring wonder that is the human body. Today, we're setting our sights on the biggest weaknesses inherent in our body's design. From the Achilles heel to the delicate construct of our brain, we will explore how these vulnerabilities impact our life, health, and survival. First weakness on our list is the Achilles heel. Named after the Greek hero Achilles, it's a fitting tribute to the warrior's single vulnerability. This tendon, the largest in the human body, connects your calf muscles to your heel bone, making it integral to walking, running, jumping, basically any movement involving your feet. But here's the catch, it's also incredibly susceptible to injury. A snap or tear in this area could leave you hobbling or, in severe cases, incapacitated. Why is it so vulnerable? Well, the Achilles tendon has a limited blood supply, which slows healing and can make the recovery process a long, arduous journey. The consequences of an Achilles injury can be debilitating, impacting not just mobility but also quality of life, and that's why it's crucial to take care of this little tendon. The Achilles heel, a small part of the body, yet a significant weakness. Moving on to the second weakness, the spinal cord. The spinal cord, a superhighway of nerves, serves as a conduit for signals between the brain and the rest of our body, controlling everything from movement to sensation. Yet, despite its importance, it's surprisingly vulnerable. It's encased within the vertebrae of the spine, but a strong jolt or severe fall can cause the vertebrae to fracture, leading to spinal cord injuries. These aren't just painful. They can be life-altering. Depending on the severity and location of the injury, you could lose function and sensation in parts of your body, or even become paralyzed. And while we've made leaps and bounds in medical advancements, we've yet to find a way to fully repair a damaged spinal cord. So remember, while it may be the backbone of our nervous system, it's also one of our greatest weaknesses. The spinal cord, a critical yet vulnerable part of our body. Next up, the most complex organ in our body, the brain. An intricate network of over 100 billion neurons, the brain is the epicenter of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's our powerhouse, our command center, and our identity. Yet despite its incredible capabilities, the brain is delicate and vulnerable. A blow to the head, a stroke, or a neurodegenerative disease can disrupt its intricate workings, leading to devastating consequences. Our brains are like a finely tuned orchestra where every instrument must play in harmony. A single note out of tune can cause the entire symphony to falter. Furthermore, our brains are susceptible to a variety of diseases and disorders. Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, epilepsy. These are just a few examples of conditions that can wreak havoc on this crucial organ. These diseases can rob us of our memories, our abilities, and ultimately our sense of self. The brain, our control center, yet highly susceptible to injury and disease. At number 4, we have the heart. Often likened to the engine of our bodies, the heart's contribution to our survival is inarguable. Working tirelessly, it pumps blood around our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste. However, as mighty as it may seem, the heart is not without its vulnerabilities. The heart's muscle, unlike other muscles, can't afford to rest. This unique characteristic makes it susceptible to a variety of issues. For instance, when the heart's blood supply is blocked, a heart attack can occur. This is often due to the buildup of fatty deposits on the walls of the coronary arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Heart disease, encompassing a range of conditions from congenital heart defects to arrhythmia, is the leading cause of death globally. The implications of these conditions are life-threatening, affecting not just the individual, but their loved ones as well. The heart, the engine of our body, yet prone to multiple issues. Fifth on our list are the eyes. These fascinating organs enable us to perceive the world in all its vibrant colors and intricate details. They function like high-tech cameras, capturing light and converting it into electrical signals that our brain can understand. However, despite their remarkable capabilities, our eyes are incredibly vulnerable. They are exposed to the external environment and susceptible to a variety of conditions such as infection, injury, and degenerative diseases. Even everyday elements like dust and sunlight can cause discomfort and potential harm. One of the most significant consequences of these vulnerabilities is vision loss. It's a condition that can profoundly affect a person's quality of life, limiting their independence and making everyday tasks challenging. From reading a book to recognizing a loved one's face, vision loss can turn the simplest joys of life into daunting hurdles. Our eyes, the windows to the world, yet highly delicate and vulnerable. They truly are one of the biggest weaknesses of the human body. Moving forward, let's talk about the skin. A marvel of nature, our skin is the largest organ of the body, serving as a protective barrier against environmental hazards. It regulates our body temperature, senses touch, and even plays a vital role in our immune system. However, its exposed position makes it vulnerable. Daily, it battles with harmful UV rays, harsh weather conditions, and infectious microorganisms. From minor irritations like acne and rashes to more serious conditions such as skin cancer, the list of potential skin diseases is extensive. Skin diseases not only affect physical health but can also have significant psychological impacts. They can lead to self-esteem issues, social isolation, and in severe cases even depression. Moreover, chronic skin conditions like psoriasis or eczema can be incredibly challenging to manage, often requiring lifelong treatment and lifestyle adjustments. The skin, our first line of defense, yet susceptible to a myriad of issues. Next, we have the lungs. These twin powerhouses located in the chest are responsible for delivering vital oxygen to our bloodstream and expelling waste carbon dioxide. They're like the body's personal air purifiers, working tirelessly with each breath we take. However, the lungs' delicate structure of tiny air sacs makes them highly susceptible to damage. The thin walls of these sacs can be easily torn by pollutants, smoke, and other harmful substances we inhale. The result? A plethora of life-threatening conditions such as pneumonia, asthma, and the notorious lung cancer. Moreover, the lungs' crucial role in our respiratory system means even minor issues can have major consequences. A simple cold, if not handled well, can escalate into bronchitis or worse, pneumonia. Chronic conditions like asthma or COPD can severely limit a person's ability to breathe, making everyday tasks a struggle. The lungs, essential for life, yet highly vulnerable to disease. Ninth on our list is the liver. This robust organ, tucked away in the upper right corner of your abdomen, serves as the body's chemical processing plant. It filters toxins from your blood, helps digest food, regulates blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and even aids in the production of essential proteins. However, the liver's very functionality makes it vulnerable. Its direct exposure to toxins and its role in fat metabolism can lead to various complications. For instance, excessive alcohol or a diet high in fats can cause fatty liver disease and cirrhosis, conditions that impair the liver's ability to function. Hepatitis, a viral infection, can lead to liver inflammation and damage over time. And let's not forget liver cancer, a severe condition that can be life-threatening. The repercussions of liver diseases are serious, affecting not just the organ but the entire body system. The liver, a vital organ yet prone to various diseases. With these weaknesses, it's crucial to protect and maintain our liver health. Last but not least, the kidneys. These two bean-shaped organs, tucked comfortably against our back muscles in the upper abdominal cavity, perform a myriad of essential roles. They filter our blood, remove waste products, control the body's fluid balance, and maintain the right levels of electrolytes. All these tasks make our kidneys crucial for our overall health. But here's the catch. The kidneys, despite their importance, are vulnerable. They can be easily affected by conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain genetic factors, which can lead to chronic kidney diseases. Over time, these diseases can cause the kidneys to stop working entirely, a situation that requires dialysis or a kidney transplant to sustain life. Kidney diseases are often silent killers, showing no symptoms until the disease has progressed significantly. This is why it's just as important to take care of our kidneys as it is to look after our hearts or lungs. The kidneys essential for detoxification, yet highly susceptible to damage. So there you have it, the 10 biggest weaknesses of the human body. From the vulnerability of our Achilles heel, the fragility of the spinal cord, the susceptibility of our brain, to the delicate nature of the heart. We've also explored the sensitivity of the eyes, the exposure of our skin, the precarious state of the lungs, and the vital roles of the liver and kidneys, and how they can be compromised. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the intricate dance that is human life. Understanding these weaknesses isn't about focusing on our frailties, but rather it's about empowering ourselves with knowledge that can help us protect these vital organs and systems, care for them better, and ultimately live healthier, fuller lives. Thank you for joining us on Braintainment. Remember to subscribe for more fascinating insights about the human body. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.